What is SAP MM and how does it integrate with other SAP modules? SAP MM Materials Management is a module of the SAP ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, software that deals with the procurement of goods and services, inventory management, and material planning. SAP MM integrates with other SAP modules such as Financial Accounting, FI, Sales and Distribution, SD, Production Planning, PP, and Warehouse Management, WM, to provide a comprehensive and integrated solution for an organization's procurement and logistics operations. The integration between SAP MM and other SAP modules is achieved through the exchange of data and information between the different modules. For example, when a purchase order is created in SAP MM, the financial data is sent to SAP FI, the material data is sent to SAP WM, and the sales data is sent to SAP SD. This ensures that all the relevant data is available to the appropriate modules, allowing for better coordination and control of the procurement process. SAP MM also integrates with other non-SAP systems, such as supplier systems, through electronic data interchange, EDI, or other data exchange methods. This enables seamless integration between the procurement process and the supplier systems, facilitating real-time information exchange and improving efficiency.